Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you 6 lazy ways to make money online while you sleep. Yes, you heard it right. You can make money without actually doing anything. These ideas require minimal effort and investment, making them perfect for those who want to make money without putting in too much effort. So, let's get started. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest and easiest ways to make money online. It involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. You don't have to create your own product, deal with customer support, or handle payments. All you have to do is find products you believe in and promote them on your website, blog, or social media accounts. You can even use paid advertising to drive traffic to your affiliate links. The best part is that you can make money while you sleep, as people can purchase products through your link at any time of the day or night. Dropshipping is another great way to make money online while you sleep. With dropshipping, you don't have to hold any inventory or worry about shipping products to customers. You simply create an online store, add products from a supplier to your store, and when a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You earn a profit on the difference between the cost of the product and the price you sell it for. This means you can make money even while you sleep, as your store is open 24/7. Creating and selling online courses is an excellent way to make money online while you sleep. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Once you create the course, it becomes passive income as people can enroll in the course and access it at any time. You don't have to be present to teach the course, as it's all pre-recorded. With a bit of marketing effort, your course can bring in money while you sleep. Investing is a way to make money while you sleep, but it requires some upfront effort and investment. You can invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate and earn passive income through dividends, interest, or rental income. Of course, investing comes with some risks, but if you do your research and invest in solid companies or properties, you can earn steady passive income over time. You can also use robo-advisors or investment apps to automate your investing process and make money while you sleep. Selling digital products like ebooks, printables, or stock photos is another way to make money online while you sleep. Once you create the product, you can sell it on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or your own website. You don't have to worry about shipping or handling, as the product is delivered digitally. You can also use print-on-demand services to sell physical products like t-shirts or mugs without holding any inventory. With the right marketing strategy, your digital products can bring in passive income while you sleep. Online advertising is a way to make money while you sleep, but it requires some effort and investment up front. You can create a blog or website and monetize it with ads from platforms like Google AdSense or Media.net. These platforms pay you based on the number of clicks or impressions your ads receive. With enough traffic, your website can generate passive income through advertising. You can also use social media platforms like Instagram or YouTube to earn money through sponsored posts or ads. With the right audience and content, your social media accounts can bring in money while you sleep. So, those are 6 lazy ways to make money online while you sleep. Whether you choose affiliate marketing, drop shipping, online courses, investing, selling digital products, or online advertising, there are plenty of opportunities to earn passive income online. Of course, each of these methods requires some effort and investment up front, but the potential for passive income is huge. We hope this video has given you some ideas on how to make money online while you sleep. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more money-making ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.